Big resort for your big family ba ang hanap mo? Well, you are lucky today because I will tour you inside one of the biggest, the most affordable private resort located in a secured subdivision, Solemar, Pansol, Calamba, Laguna. Welcome to the Akia Private Resort. It is best known for big celebrations. It has beautiful and bright interior. The blue paint stands out, making it pleasing to the eyes and very relaxing. Fun activity to do here is to play billiards and sing videoke. Shooting pool and singing on top of your lungs seems to be the perfect combination. For your cooking needs, no need to worry because the resort has kitchen area with 2-burner gas stove, refrigerator, and a water dispenser. The resort features plenty of tables and chairs with seating capacity of 50 persons, perfect for big groups. And of course, the highlight, here's the big adult pool with slide for more exciting moments, and also a big kiddie pool with slide for kids to enjoy. The pool has warm water, perfect for relaxation.
'Cause I found my way.
When it comes to accommodation, the resort has 4 air-conditioned rooms with sleeping capacity of 30 persons.
I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way.